Hello children, welcome back to the new video. So today I am going to perform you a very interesting activity in front of you, which you are going to love to play with. So to make that we need a sellotape, a scissor, two bottle caps, a piece of cardboard, two pictures which I have already colored and cut it out, two old CDs in a piece of paper. So let's get started. So first I am going to mark the size of my CD onto this paper and then I am going to cut out by using the scissors. So let's do that. So here you can see that I am cutting out the paper in my CD. So now you can see that I have taken out two pieces of the papers which I am going to cover it on my CDs with the help of sellotape. So now you can see that I have stick the paper onto my CDs. Now we will keep this aside and what we will do, we are going to make a hole in both of these caps. So I would suggest to take the help of your parents while doing that. So now you can see that I have made two holes in my bottle caps. Now what I am going to do is, I will take this cardboard stick and I am going to stick the pictures onto it first. So now you can see that I have stick the pictures. Now what I am going to do, I am going to make a very little hole by using this stick onto the cardboard piece in this way. After that what I am going to do is, I will take my sellotape and I am going to stick a piece of sellotape on the bottom of the cardboard piece and then I will take this nut and I am going to stick it here. So now you can see that I have stick my nut here. Now what I am going to do is, I will take this disc. I am going to first stick one of the caps. So first I have inserted a bottle cap. Now I am going to take this disc and I am going to insert it in this way. After that I will take this piece of cardboard and I am going to insert it. Then the disc again, and after that a bottle cap. So in this way I am going to fix it. Now I will arrange it properly. I'm going to put my disc in both of the corners. Now let's test this. Now let's quickly understand the science behind this activity. As we can see here that the fishes that we have made, they are oscillating but they are not falling down completely. So what is the reason behind that? Now the reason is because of the gravity. The center of the gravity of a body is a point where the entire weight of the body is supposed to act. Now attaching the nuts down has increased the weight and shifted the center of gravity downwards and not in the center part where the point of rotation. Now this prevents them from rotating completely as more weight is concentrated in the below region. Pushing wheels arrangement forward makes it to move in forward direction and also generates a small amount of rotation to act on those props. Now this rotation tries to rotate the prop, but as the weight is concentrated in the below region, the greater the gravitational pull in that portion which resists the rotational motion and trying it to pull it down. So in this way this activity works and you can try this activity at home. Enjoy!